Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 1.5 inch tab stop in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document, and we can see here some text and pages. Now we want to add 1.5 inch tab stop. At first, click inside the text box. Then go to the view menu. Enable the show text ruler. Then click before the text and go to the window menu. Go to the text section, enable the paragraph. Then enable the tab stop. Then click the plus icon. Then click inside the setting. Then write 1.5. Then press enter. Then click before the text. Then press tab on our keyboard. Now we can see we add 1.5 inch tab stop very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.